My name is Adnan Charara, and I'm an artist. I'm a Detroit artist. I came to Detroit because my parents retired here. I feel Detroit have similar struggles that I believe strongly with, and I want to be part of. My work is always being like a journalist who goes to report a scene. To me, is this observation, and I'm reporting an issue, and I'll try to bring it to the table as is and not being biased, so I can open a true dialogue. And that's been instrumental in my work, whether through color or shapes or form, to invite my audience to really ask the question, and so the dialogue will open. I'm working on many projects. In fact, sometimes I say if I live another 4 life and I don't think again, I don't think I will finish what I started to do. So this hammer didn't want to be a hammer. He really wanted to be a musician. So he decided to take that action. And so to tell people, be what you want to be, because that's the true love, and this is the best you will give, and be true to yourself. The journey of me being an artist has been an interesting journey and a determined journey for me. I feel fortunate that I got to do what I love to do and what I believe I came to this earth to do. It's been a hard journey, but I will do this journey over and over and over again, because it is the best journey I can take in this world.